Hey, if I can't again, yeah, here, come here. So it has gotten to the level whereby you wake up in the morning, you need a fetch that brother, you need a fetch to check. You don't see me, Abby? Your honorable landlord. Or go for that. This will take a friend. You the waka money bag. For your mind now, you don't make her. You just pass. If you say I don't call you back now, if you don't come back.
Landlord, all these things where you talk now, so I don't understand. Eh? Why bless any town and just gouge like this? When the bless I go on gouge to go pepper list or guide people faster, you just they stop me like say you be stopover. It's a bit stopover now, you know go join road safety.
Wait, am I the one you are raising your voice at? No, Efe, are you raising your voice at me?
Landlord, now if you not be Efe.
Oh, whatever it is. Whatever I said you are, that is what you are. In fact, you're a rag. You ordinary cloth, you weren't cutting. Regard. You will wear. What about I hear what? Damn you! Because you wear cotono. You wear gana mi seregi akwara gi ote. Gina gaje go goma with your bachara. You wear achara cap. Bra bonwu. Agaje go onwu. You saw your landlord very early in the morning, not even good morning. Or even you didn't do.
You didn't miss, so seriously, you didn't miss. You don't know say I be assets. You not just know say I be assets. You don't know say if so kind thing happen now, they feel use me to take loan. You don't know. You don't know the meaning of my name if wealth. Okay, enter the street now. Okay, who just get money reach me now? Me when I be wet. Just that the money never come outside because they hide.
You wet lips. Makachuku. Where take a go aqua the wet to where Abraham mini. That is the meaning of your own name. Meaning of your name is ordinary wet. Nyam akote with aqua rag out one hour fade. Abaiga ganamiri they will soak you inside water. That is the meaning of your wet. You are wetless. Because you carry empty bag. Wait so you get this kind of fine shoe. So this kind glass shoe there for this compound. And you never pay your rent.
Who should be this rent matter again now? Shoe? Why you go just do like so kind people will be like say they are bringing miscarriage. I know say they owe the rent. I not hide. I they owe rent and so I say I go pay.
Then pay.
Pay. And now the process of the paying are there so now. Not be everything for life get processed. Now make a just gauge. Voila, trouble there. If you know keep person, your money too long. Just as the money hide, never come. Money still they germinate. I dey go somewhere. I get very, very important appointment. And if I miss that appointment now, so things will spoil.
Before you packed into my house, I gave you my terms and terminology. I gave you terms and terminology. The adequate of inconsequential meeting up of the payment of my house rent is going to befall on you. If you don't pay your rent, I am going to dismiss myself into your abdomen. So try and pay me otherwise.
Yeah. Before I first the beef never say that they be evil people, they know they give us light. Little did I know say that this our landlord where school they study big grammar. Your English they cut our light. The day when light will come and low current will be like stretch mark. I get appointment too.
Everything you must come last. Every time, everybody don't come out. You are the last person to go out.
Now wisdom. You know, for worry now wisdom. Now wisdom, Ogala Lord. See, for worry, anybody will come last shall be the first, and the first shall be the last. Now, hey, make a rush, go pay the money, make you spend the money, give your wife, go buy Gary, buy this thing, the money go just finish one day. Now wisdom, in your hard time, now go copy. That time my money will be like saving grace for you.
Then I will bury you in your hard time. In your hard time, give them wisdom. Give me the wisdom. You have wisdom and you use it. You will be the first. You are the last to pack into this compound. Every day you are the last to go out. And you want to tell me that you will turn to be the first. You got what pay me my rent.
I go pay.
The music I go play for you, you no go like.
Okay.
Pay me my rent. My life lies in this house. My everything, my sunshine lies in this compound. If you don't pay, father. Voila. Ibukwa akpa ka ndị akawo ejikwa ha akpa ahụ ote eburugo ote ebula logo nga one time. Stupid imbecile. He goes. Ibra nga turn no me wisdom for your head. Give the smallest room in this compound of the rent. On your wisdom. You didn't even rent parlor or bigger one where they upstairs. 3,000 a month you will wisdom. Oh, I'm a wisdom. Nakachuku. I'm a wisdom hotel. Take you na hotel get from Stupid bagger. Oh, Faku. Oh, Faku. Braiko.